Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, tow hitch, lane departure warning, power steering, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, fog lamps, heated steering wheel, intermittent wipers, remote trunk release. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.